Hey guys, so I'm making some slippers. My feet are freezing. I got this pattern on Etsy, Amber Women's Slippers from ithinkso.com. Some of the materials I'm using. It looks really tacky on the underside, but that white stuff looks pretty good. Not too bad. Some gray felt I had. This stuff made a hell of a mess. Anyway, so soles are all laid out, and there's the upper. And I decided not to go for the open toe, because like I said, my feet are freezing. So I got that sewed together. Keep petting that. Yes. And there is some quilted fabric I used for the uppers. And yes, I'm going to cut into this antique hand embroidered chain stitched fabric from India, because it's been getting drug around for many moons. I won't say how many. So got the binding up there around the top, flip it over, top stitch, bing bang, boom. Came out pretty good, clipping the uppers to the lowers. I cut some very wide 2-inch felt binding to secure the edges, because the stuff I had before was not nearly wide enough with that thick fuzzy fabric. So I start on the top side like that, and then fold it over, and I'm gonna hand stitch. I did hand stitch. I can't stop petting that, I'm sorry. It's very fuzzy and it's really soft. Okay, ready to hand stitch Dog for Company. And come on, totally freaking cute.